camera's dying. Okay, so my camera died earlier, so I didn't really get a chance to intro this video, but welcome to moving vlog day 2. Today was pretty much a shopping day because I haven't bought anything for the new place yet, so. But this is future me, so I already vlogged the part where I went shopping, so I'll just roll the clips now. Okay, so I don't know if I should get bath stuff here or somewhere more cheaper, but I'm looking anyways. I don't know what vibe I'm going for, but probably pink. I definitely need a rug, so I might get that from here. But we're also gonna go to TJ Maxx. I kind of want to get a little fake plant. Okay, so Target was a bit expensive, so we're gonna go to Walmart and get like the necessities and all that stuff. Guys, who knew shopping for plates could be so fun? And look, I found this pink pot. So cute. I'm sorry if you can hear my cat scraping her litter box. There she is. But okay, let's get into this haul. I went to Target and Walmart. Okay, first thing from Target, I got this bath mat. I don't know if it's showing up correctly, but it's like a mint green. I don't know what vibe I'm going for my bathroom, but I really love pastel colors. So yeah, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. Then we got some trash bags because we're adulting and we need trash bags. And it's mint scent. And I got some CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion because I ran out of this. Then I got some Everspring Foaming Hand Soap. And it just looks really aesthetic, so I had to get it. Okay, I got a candle. I love a good candle. This is Fresh Linen and Sea Salt. And smells really good. Smell it. These bowls are literally so cute. They're like little flower bowls. And they're just very spring. But I think I'm gonna actually let my cat use these for like her food and water bowls. I think it'll be so cute. Okay, I think this is the last bag from Target. I just got these 2 towels. Needed towels. Now I'm moving on to Walmart. Got this little shower basket. And then I just got a shower curtain. Well, this is really the liner, but I mean, I don't really like the cotton curtains, so I'm just gonna use this. And then I got a little toilet bowl cleaner brush because I needed to clean my toilet. Then I got this little wine glass. I think this is a wine glass. I'm gonna use it as a wine glass. And then along with that, a bottle of wine. I think this is my first bottle of wine that I bought since I've been 21. And that's all I got. I think I did order something from Amazon that should be here within a couple hours. But as for like furniture and stuff, I think I'm getting a new bed and new furniture. So I still need to order that. I'm excited to see how it all turns out. But the movers are coming tomorrow to bring all the rest of our stuff. But okay, now we can start putting this stuff up. Okay, my room is a mess. I'm sorry you guys got to see that. Okay, so we're gonna try to get this bathroom together. I guess I'm gonna try putting this up. Okay, so I did it. I just had to read the instructions. Okay, so now I'm about to try and put the shower curtain up. Wish me luck because I know I'm probably gonna fall. No, but honestly, I can't wait to take a bubble bath and have a cup of wine. Glass of wine. It's giving grown woman. It's giving Olivia Pope. She loved her wine. She is not really sure how I'm feeling about it, but okay, I think that's about all I'm going to do for the bathroom tonight. I don't want to start putting my stuff in here just because all my stuff isn't here yet, so I'm going to have to do it twice. So I'm trying to find where the best lighting is. Okay, anyways, I got a package. Okay, so I got one of those little sunset lamps. I'm very excited to see this baby in action. And then I got these golden mirrors for wall decor. Can't wait to put these up. I've been seeing these everywhere. They're super cute, but let's try this out. Okay, so I set it up. Let me just, I think all you have to do is plug it in. Look at that. Let me turn off the light. Wow, that's very pretty. This is day 3 of moving, I think. yeah, day 3. So the movers came and we have all of our stuff here. A whole lot of boxes, whole lot of organizing and unpacking we need to do. I also don't have my bed yet. I might get that today. But yeah, welcome back to another moving vlog. This I need to put in my closet. Okay, so it fit in pretty nicely, and it's really just going to be for my inventory since I don't really have that much space to put it in. But we do have a storage outside, so boxes of inventory is also going to go out there. And I mean, I'm just going to make it work somehow. But here's a little overview. I have Penelope's litter box in there. And now I actually have to start putting stuff in the closet, which I'm not looking forward to. Plus I haven't eaten yet. I've been up since 8 a.m. I need to get some food in my body first. Okay, so the Wi-Fi just got here. We finally got some Wi-Fi. I'm gonna order some food. I'm excited to see what delivers over here because ordering food is like my thing. And also my sister and her boyfriend are gonna go get my bed. I won't be going with them just because it's not enough space in the car if I were to ride. So we're gonna stay here and order some food and unpack. But first things first, let's get some food here because I'm starving. Yeah, so I have a lot to do, but let me update you guys with everything else going on. Okay, so my machines are here. I think I'm just gonna do like a little room separator or wall divider to cover these, but pretty much I'm gonna have my workspace in here, probably put a little table over here, and yeah, just make it work because we really don't plan on eating at the dining room table or anything if we were to have like a dining room area, since this is technically the dining room, and we didn't want to put it in the living room where everyone would probably be, like if they were to visit and stuff like that. Speaking of the living room, yeah, we have so much to unbox. Here's my mirror. I'm really not looking forward to unboxing, but we've got to get it done. What? But I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm just not excited about unboxing. It's here and it's good because I'm starving. Guys, sorry if you can hear the washing machine, but I am so excited to eat this. It looks so good. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. Basically nothing. I don't know what type of way I want to organize it. I think that's it for tonight though because I'm exhausted. But I am waiting on my bed to get here. So I'm gonna put that up when that gets here. And yeah, I'm probably gonna continue this vlog Thursday and Friday since I didn't get much footage today. So yeah, I'll see you guys later when the bed's here. Okay, so I just built this bed frame and I did pretty good. Don't mind the mess over there. But yeah, now I have to unbox the bed. Okay, made the bed. I kind of like the bed being low. I don't have a box spring right now. So I'm gonna take a little bubble bath, shower after, and I'm gonna have me some wine while I do that because it's just one of those days I'm not feeling the best. So we're gonna do that. I honestly don't even know how to open this. Good morning guys, it's Friday. I did not film yesterday just because I really just didn't feel like filming, so it's Friday. I have on my little Amazon workout set. I was gonna check out the gym today in our that's in our apartment, but I might do that later. We're about to go to Starbucks and then probably go grocery shopping as well because we still haven't really grocery shopped. But yeah, workout sets definitely make you want to work out because I don't know, I feel cute. But here's a little update on my workspace. I changed tables. I took the desk that was in my room and I put it out here. And this is going to be like my little packing station and like hooping station so I can hoop the sweatshirts and whatever. But yeah, that's how it's looking. Okay, Okay, so we're back from Target. Let me do a little Target haul for you guys. Got the goods right here. As for groceries, we didn't get that much. We just got something for tonight and maybe tomorrow, and we're getting our little sister and spending the night. So we got stuff for breakfast. Excuse me. Okay, I got these really cute slippers. Sorry if the angle's different. I had to change my SD card. But as I was saying, I just like to be comfy and cozy at the house since I'm here most of the time, and these are super cute. And then I just got this pajama set, and it comes with some shorts, and I love pajamas. So yeah, I also have another one coming from Amazon today, so I'm probably gonna show you guys that later. I finally got this book, One of Us is Lying. I've heard really great things about it, so I'm super excited to read this. Plus, I've been on my phone so much, it's addicting, so I'm trying to spend more time off of it, so I cannot wait to start reading this. And then I got a candle. I love candles, and I think the pastel is going with my vibe. I don't know, I really love spring. I feel like everything about spring is so pretty, and yeah, I think that's the vibe I want to go for with my room. I don't know. And that's all I got besides the groceries, which I will show you guys that now. Okay, so literally looks so unhealthy, but I just got some Celsius energy drinks. They're so good and work really well. I've been loving like the Barefoot bubbly pink Moscato, so I got them in like the smaller versions. Some hash browns for breakfast, and this pasta looks really good. And then we just got this DiGiorno pizza for tonight. And yeah, we haven't went fully grocery shopping yet. I think we're like waiting till we settle in and everything, so yeah. Okay, I did just get an email saying my Amazon package was delivered, but I just wanted to update you guys. I put my mirror in this little corner. I don't know, I think it kind of looks good right here. Okay, I'm gonna open my packages. I don't know if you guys like these in vlogs, but I personally love watching people open packages for some reason. So these are actually pillows. Yeah, they're a set of 2. This is the pajama set I was telling you guys about. This is so cute. It's a button-down shirt and short set. And then I got my bed set. It's in the color ivory. I didn't want to do pure white. I do still have to get a box spring because clearly I need one because the bed just kind of smushes down in like the open spaces of the bed frame. I accidentally ordered 2 like small pillows instead of 2 big pillows, so I put them both in here. That was my mistake. I'm just gonna get my pillows from my mom's house when we go there later. But how cute is the satin pillowcase? Because my scarf and bonnet are constantly falling off my head when I sleep, so it's good to have a satin pillowcase. And yeah, right now I'm just chilling and watching a vlog. I should be doing something productive, but I just don't have the energy. Maybe I should have a Celsius energy drink because those really work, but it also kind of does low-key give me anxiety, so it's kind of like a win-lose situation. I think I'm just gonna have coffee. I'm also really happy to have an ice maker. How cute is this Starbucks cup? Super cute. Cheers. So right now I'm about to start going through boxes so I can kind of get my inventory sorted out so I can start working because I need to start getting things done. And I have a lot of boxes to go through and I'm kind of dreading it, so. Hey guys, it's been some hours later, but I wanted to show you guys the pajamas on. I'm obsessed. There's just something about going to bed cute, even if it's just like pajama set. I don't know, I love it. I love being comfortable and cute at the same time. But yeah, we went to my mom's house. My little sister is here. She's spending the next few days with us. Let me show you guys the vibe in my room right now. I love it. Pink vibe. I went and got more pillows. I am super tired, but I'm gonna try to read some of this book tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have made it up to this point, comment this emoji down below, just because I like to see you watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know, so leave it down below. I look crazy, but okay, I'm gonna go now. Love you guys. Good night.